Good morning, students. Previous class we learnt about Steve Jobs' first story and second story. First story is about connecting the dots and second story is about love and loss. Today we will learn about his last story is about death. Now see page number 63. Page number 63. Sometimes life hits you in the head with the brick. Don't lose hope. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Okay? Now listen. Sometimes life hits you in the head with the brick. Means sometimes life give a great shock suddenly. Jobs tells the students that one shouldn't lose hope if life puts us down. The only solution to all problems is to keep on doing what one loves to do. Means keep looking. That means keep on doing what one loves to do. And don't settle means never stop. Okay, listen again. Steve Jobs tells the students that one shouldn't lose hope if life puts us down. The only solution to all problems is to keep on doing what one loves to do. That means keep looking and don't settle. That means never stop. Now see, every day won't be the same. So, if today we are facing Corona, keep your hopes intact and believe that tomorrow we will be free from it. My third story is about death. Last parasi. My third story is about death. About a year ago, I was diagnosed with cancer. My doctor advised me to go home and get my affairs in order, which is doctor's code for prepare to die. I lived with that diagnosis all day. Later that evening, I had a biopsy. It turned out to be a very rare form of pancreatic cancer that is curable with surgery. I had the surgery and I am fine now. Now, let's see. Steve Jobs was diagnosed with cancer a year before he delivered this address. The doctor advised him to take care of all his legal and financial transactions. Means that all after his death, who will be owning his property, all that. Okay. So, doctor advised him to take care of all his legal and financial transactions. Means after the death, who will be owning his property. So, doctor advised like that. According to Steve Jobs, these all doctor's code words for prepare to die. Okay, these all doctor's code word for prepare to die. But he did not fear about it. He did all tasks and same day he had a biopsy. Biopsy means living bodies, tissues collected for testing. Okay, biopsy means living bodies, tissues collected for testing. It results that he had a rare pancreatic cancer. Actually, pancreatic cancer is a cancer which begins in the pancreas. Pancreas means organ which lies behind the lower part of stomach. Okay, pancreas means organ which lies behind the lower part of stomach. That is curable after the surgery, but only if first stage, that time only. Okay, that is curable after the surgery only if first stage. Okay, now see, after he had surgery and was fine when he delivered this speech. Okay, he said, I am fine. Now see, page number 64. Page number 64. This was the closest I have been to facing death, and I hope it's the closest I get for a few more decades. Having lived through it, I can now say this to you: your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. See, now he says that experience means his experience was the closest that he had come to facing death. He hoped that he can get few more decades. Decade means 10 years called decades. Okay. He tells the student to not to get confused by the imposed rules and beliefs of others, and to have the courage to follow or listen their inner mind. Okay, next para here he said, okay, don't be trapped by dogma which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinion drown out your own inner voice. Okay, now listen. After he had surgery and was fine, when he delivered this speech, he says that experience was the closest that he had come to facing death. He hoped that he can get few more decades. He tells the students to not to get confused by the imposed rules and beliefs of others, and to have the courage to follow or listen their inner mind. Next para see. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. And one more thing is saying, so while selecting any field, whether it is arts, commerce or science, listen to your inner voice. It's your life's question, so be careful about it. Okay, this paragraph tells us what? While selecting any field, whether it is arts, commerce or science, listen your inner voice. It's your life's question, so be careful about it. Now, last para. When I was young, there was an amazing publication called The Whole Earth Catalog. Now see, when he was young, there was an amazing publication. He ends his address with a small message that he read in the that edition of a publication called The Whole Earth Catalog. Okay. See, at last he ends his addresses with the small message that he read in the last edition of a publication called The Whole Earth Catalog. Okay, this publication called Whole Earth Catalog. Catalog means complete list of items, especially in a special order and description. That means catalog. Okay. Now listen. In the final issue, on the back cover they put a photograph of the early morning country road. Beneath it were the words written. Okay. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Actually, see here meaning also given. Stay hungry. Stay hungry means always keep wanting something more, something new. Always keep wanting something more, something new. That means never be satisfied. Willingness to get or learn more and more. You should constantly strive to do better. If you continue to stay hungry for your ambition, that means, okay. And one more word, stay foolish. Stay foolish means here given, always keep an open mind, never think you know everything. Means be silent like a fool. You don't have any knowledge, like that, okay. That means stay foolish. Next to see, it was their farewell message as they signed off. Have always wished that for myself, and now as you graduate to begin anew, I wish that for you. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Okay, same message he wished them also newly, that graduate students. He addressed this message also for them only, no. So he said, stay hungry, stay foolish means never be satisfied. willingness to learn more and more. You should constantly strive to do better. If you continue to stay hungry for your ambition or say foolish means be silent like a fool. You don't know anything. You don't have any knowledge like that. Okay. Now see here. Here is a list of, see here he had given list. See, at last he had given message. Okay, see first, don't wait, never wait. Okay, and make your own reality, control everything you can, own your mistakes, know yourself, leave the door open for the fantastic, don't hold back, surround yourself with brilliance, make friendship brilliant people. Okay, intelligent people's friendship. Okay, brilliance idea, such people's friendship. Okay, surround yourself with brilliance, build a team of A players, best players, build a team, best players means best people, make group. Okay, next, be yourself, be persuasive means power of convince, persuasive means. Okay, show others the way, trust your instincts, take risk, follow great with great, make tough decisions, presentation can make a world of difference, find a way to balance your intensity, live for today, share your wisdom. At last, share your wisdom. Okay. Now see here, question given. See here, question given. What does Jobs warn you about life and dogma? About life and dogma. Okay. Now see question first. Okay. Jobs warn us about life and dogma, not to get trapped by. Not to get trapped by. Okay. Here one more question given. How does Jobs close his address to the graduate students? Jobs close his address to the graduate students. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Answer. Okay. You see the question? From question begins and after that, stay hungry, stay foolish.